In a terrifying incident, a fire erupted at the Parlakmundi municipality office in Odisha's Gajapati district Sunday night, causing damage to many important documents and infrastructure. Luckily, no injuries were reported. However, several crucial papers, including some related to the upcoming elections, were destroyed in the blaze. Upon receiving the alert, fire services personnel promptly arrived and extinguished the flames. While the exact cause of the fire is still being investigated, initial suspicions point to an electrical short circuit in the storeroom. Nirmala Sethi, chairperson of Parlakmundi municipality, emphasized that the fire was accidental, occurring when no one was present. She stated, "Since the fire mishap occurred Sunday night, there was no one present. The fire broke out due to a short circuit. No one caused it deliberately."
जहाँ आमको जना पड़े तो कहीं नथिले जदि कौन सी किसी करने को सर्ट सर्किट बोधे निआ लगी स्थिति संपूर्ण जहाँ भी
जो रूम रे निआ लगी से रूम रो कबाट मते खुला थिला
ना खोला नथिला चाबी भंगा आसला परे आपण जा अनुमान करछन से पूरा भूल बोली करछि मु जेति जानछि चाबी बंद थिला.
Stay tuned to Odisha Post Live to stay updated.